Today, one of the biggest challenges every area of healthcare faces is doing more with less. This is especially true when it comes to your sterile processing department. But with Prolystica cleaning chemistries from Steris, you can get everything you expect in your manual and automated chemistries, and so much more. Prolystica cleaning chemistries provide so much more than the cleaning properties you need and expect. With benefits like increased productivity, enhanced cleaning performance, superior instrument protection, and a lower total cost of ownership, Prolystica offers superior performance in every area. The Prolystica family of premium chemistries includes enzymatic cleaners, neutral and alkaline detergents, and lubricants, which are available in a range of concentrations. With Prolystica, you can dose down to 1/8 per ounce with the 2x concentrates and 1/40th per ounce with the ultra concentrates. The Prolystica family also includes Prolystica Restore Descaler and Neutralizing Detergent. Restore doesn't just descale and derouge, it repassivates the stainless steel layer, strengthening it and therefore increasing instrument life. Prolystica helps keep foaming to a minimum, so you'll eliminate the need to re-rinse. In addition, you'll improve productivity with reduced cycle times. Customers using Prolystica for their automated washers have saved almost 800 hours of washing time per year. That's a 28% increase in productivity. And our manual cleaners are some of the fastest on the market. Prolystica 2x concentrate enzymatic is more than 6 times faster than the competition at removing proteins. Prolystica's cleaning properties are more powerful, giving you more cleaning efficacy regardless of water quality. In this test, using stainless steel coupons soiled with the most challenging bioburden found in the OR, Prolystica removed 100% of the soil compared to only 90% removed by the competitor's chemistry. That 10% residual soil can mean additional washer cycles, rejected instrument sets, and safety concerns for your patients and staff. Prolystica gives you the assurance of 100% clean. Staining, corrosion, and spotting on instruments can affect performance and increase refurbishment costs. Prolystica's patented formulas go beyond cleaning to restore the appearance and performance of surgical instruments and devices. This helps to reduce your annual instrument purchase and repair costs and improve washer performance by eliminating loss of pump pressure. Loss of pump pressure can result in poor spray arm movement, reduction in impingement, aborted cycles, and increased maintenance costs. Solid chemistries can't compare to Prolystica for precise, efficient dosing. Our AL2000 chemistry delivery system for automated washers and our SyncSide AccuSync delivery system for manual cleaning provide the exact amount of Prolystica every time for precision dosing and low chemistry consumption. Prolystica even helps you meet your environmental objectives, unlike other chemistries. Biodegradable ingredients, recyclable packaging, and concentrated formulas translate to less waste and lower utility consumption. Consider these two factors: your total cost of ownership plus your annual spend on Prolystica cleaning chemistries. Add them together, and you get savings greater than your annual chemistry costs. Don't settle for the status quo when you can have Prolystica perfection. Prolystica cleaning chemistries from Steris. So much more than clean.